My project is a swim dive analyzer, which allows somebody to upload a video of themselves or someone else doing a swim dive, and it will analyze this dive, telling the user the angles at their body parts and also how far they make it off of the block. The one thing that this does require is the diver must have colored items on their wrist, shoulder, hips, and feet. So you have two modes to choose from. One mode where you just analyze one person, and one mode where you analyze two videos side by side with one set as the ideal. First, we'll use the solo mode, and here you are able to select what colors you have on each body part. We'll leave it as this for now, and then you can click upload to enter which video you would like to analyze. And if it can find this video, then it will allow you to say next. We're also going to turn calculate distance on. In this mode, because calculate distance is turned on, we can drag these two circles to where the block starts and the block ends, and then you can enter the block length. This block was 2 feet long. And then we say next. And here, the video is being analyzed. Now that the video has been analyzed, we can use the arrow keys to scroll through the video frame by frame and watch the dive, and also see the angles of the body parts. So as we go through, you can see that each circle is tracking to its respective body part, and there is a line connecting these parts that traces out the body. At the bottom, it shows the angle at the shoulders, the angle at the hips, the angle of the upper body to the water, and the angle of the legs to the water, as well as the distance that the diver has traveled from the blocks. As the diver enters the water, the parts will start to disappear, and the user will be notified that this part of the body is underwater. And when all of the points are underwater, the user will be told that the swimmer is now underwater and the dive is complete. Then the user can select next, and they will be given an overall analysis of the dive. The other option is to use comparison mode. And in this option, we can upload 2 videos by clicking on each respective square. And you can choose the colors for each of these videos independently. But we're going to keep it the same for this one. And you can see if the colors are not all completely different, the user will not be able to move on. Then we hit next, and the videos start to be analyzed. Now that both of these videos have been analyzed, you can scroll through each video independently in order to look at both of the videos and how they're different at similar points. And you can look at the difference of the angles to each other. Then, once you are satisfied with this, you can click next again, where all of the maximum angles for each dive are laid out, as well as the calculated score of how similar the second video is to the first one, because that first video is meant to be an ideal video.